I like this one.
I'm really loving that. Chartreuse.
Yeah.
I always think how funny it is that one person's passing comment can completely change another person's life. I started VIM VIGR about 12 years ago. I was doing a sales job where I was driving throughout the state of Montana, and I noticed that my legs were really tired at the end of the day. A physical therapist said, "You should be wearing compression socks." I really couldn't find cute, high-quality compression socks, so I decided to start the company myself. In the early days of VIM VIGR, we operated out of my basement. I packed socks, I did all sales, and I would go to trade shows. When you're investing so much time, money, and so much sacrifice to getting a business started, everything felt heavy. But it was just this passion that really fueled me, and I just couldn't stop. As a business, you have to learn to adapt in order to reach a larger audience. With this growth of e-commerce, we have all these tools to help us get in front of more customers. The beauty of Google Ads is that there are specific metrics that we're able to see to help drive our decisions. One area that we invest in is Google Shopping. It's really important that we are where the customers are at. When you put $1 in, you know you're getting 4 or 5 times the revenue just from the $1 that you put in. When I reflect back on what we've been able to accomplish, we have this amazing team of people that are so passionate about what they do. We get reviews from customers saying that the products changed their life. I'm just floored sometimes when I do look at how far we've come.